Matt from Panda Garage here. Today is a very special video. Sorry I've been a bit sporadic with my uploads, but things have been all over the joint in the last few months. But I just wanted to send a thank you, the biggest thank you possible for 1,000 subscribers. The channel is nearly 4 years old, or it might even be past 4 years old now. I really cannot remember, but it's been a real journey. It hasn't so much been teaching people about how to do stuff. It's mainly been what I've been learning as I go on, and over these last 4 years I've learned so much from trying to put out content more for people, and it in turn making me learn more about cars and about fixing stuff and detailing and all kinds of things. And I've done a lot of things that I didn't expect myself to do, that I used to have other people do for me, and it's been really good. So yeah, shout out to everyone that's watching that. It's funny, you get into situations like this, you don't really know what to say. You get excited to try and get to that build up, and then you get there, and I'm someone that doesn't give a good reaction to being surprised. But I mean, we knew that it was coming eventually, that the channel would get to 1,000, and I'm so grateful for that. My little channel here, my little garage here in Victoria, Australia. So it feels really good to have 1,000 people following the channel now that are subscribed, and to all those as well who watch the videos. Greatly appreciate it. And now that we're at 1,000, I feel like we can move on to bigger and better things. I'm hopefully going to have a project car in the next few months here. It's just a logistical thing at this point, and I've got a few things once we get down here that I want to go through with you guys about where that project will go, and sort of the future of it, and also what you'd be following along with. I'm working on some other things. Hopefully we'll get to make a few big announcements in the next few months. I've just been practicing my craft, and hopefully we'll have some more reviews in the future too. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video of the review of the 1 to 2 years of ownership. I thought that was pretty cool, going through all that and just sort of seeing myself just how well a lot of the stuff's held up. We'll have a video out. I'm recording this on Tuesday, so you'll see this tonight. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got home from work, and I thought I'd make this straight away. I want to get this out tonight because we'll have a video out on Thursday. It was just like a little video I made. I made a purchase that was pretty significant to helping out my family and with our cars, and got one of them back on the road for very cheap. So I wanted to go through a little bit of that, and a forgotten sort of craft of doing this sort of DIY stuff. And you'll see that on Thursday. I think I'll be out at 6 or 5. Whatever time we get that set up. So yes, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I am going to give away some stuff. I've got stuff stored up in this little container up there of just random bits and pieces I've collected over the years from working at Ford, from my family working at Holden, and just random things that I had. I might, if we have enough hype about it, or people are interested in maybe winning something, we'll do something like that. But yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, anything you'd like to see on the channel, please leave it down in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Join the 1,000 strong Panda Garage group, and and to hit the notification bell as well. You will get notified every time there's an upload, which it should be on a Thursday every week. It's just been a little sporadic lately, but I'm trying to get back on track. I've got a project behind the camera right now that I want to do a bit of practicing on. I've got a Dremel in the cupboard that I've had for a while now that I actually haven't even opened or used yet, and I've been saving it for this project behind you. So we'll get that probably going next week, so you'll see that. So I want to make this short. Thank you all so much for watching. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, the Panda Garage. You get all the updates and any fill-ins there. I might be going live next week to do a bit of a Q&A, or if anyone wants to join, it'll probably be later in the night, Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. it'll probably be maybe 7 or 8 o'clock at night, and we'll go from there. So thank you also for joining me. Appreciate everyone that's watched the channel over these years and has subscribed especially. And until next time, guys, my name's Matt. It's Panda Garage, and I'll see you all on Thursday.